was tinkering in my garage again. You can see by the slightly cleaner hands. See, my hands are a little bit greasy. What was I doing? I was messing around with these things right here. These are the triple trees for the bike. I managed to get that frame taken apart. I had to fight with these suckers right here, right there, and these things, because you have to put a little right in here. You have to jam a wedge in there, and this one didn't want to come out. These two other ones here, they come out like butter. It's like, if you look at some of these, I don't know if you can see them. Some of the top ones are rusty and some ones are not. But anyway, I was messing around. I didn't think you wanted to see, I didn't feel like recording it, so I just thought I'd make a little video of what I was doing. I'm gonna send, I don't know if I should send these out to get blasted. I might just clean them up and repaint them, because they're not really rusty. They're just dull. So I might wash them off, scruff them up a little, and give them a little bit of a paint job. If anybody has any suggestions on how you should paint these things, I mean, I could send them probably like $20 to get them, probably cheap to get them blasted, but what the hell's the point? That I'm going to send out to get this thing right here. I'm going to send it out to get powder coated. So hopefully I can get this, not powder coated. I'm going to get it. I don't like powder coat for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I'm old school. I'm going to get it sandblasted and repainted. But I think I'm going to ask them to use a different type of media, because the other one looks a little weird. But I don't know. So anyway, this is going out. I'm hoping by the time it comes back, I will be able to get one of these put back together and hopefully find some, where is it? Right there. These, the forks. Find some new rubber boots. So at least I can put a set of rubber boots. The one on there, there's one on there that's semi-okay. It's still intact, but it's super hard rubber. Maybe I gotta get some like moisturizing, I don't know, like rubber, I don't know. I know they make stuff that'll soften up rubber. I don't know what the hell it is or what it's for. So anyway, short little video. So now I have one frame, two frames, and another. I got two 86s. I got an 86 frame piled on a really shitty 86. I'm thinking maybe I can take this bike runs. I can take one of these forks right here and put it on this one. I'm going to probably sell the front end of this because it doesn't even belong on this bike. Put the forks back on this one, put it all back together, because that whole pile of shit right there, right here, is all a 1986 Big Red. I'd like to get it put back together at least a month or less. So I don't care if it looks perfect, but I'm going to go through them. First thing I'm going to do is clean the wiring harness. I'm going to clean it all off and start piece by piece. I'd like to just pop the motor and drive the damn thing. That's why I'm not even going to, the rear swing arm, I'm just bolting it on. I'm not doing anything else. I'm putting the little lug nuts on there, and that's it. Anyway, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Toodles.